Hey traders, hope you all having an awesome day. What a great start of a new year with a winning trade here on Netcash. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. This is just a process of a pullback which we have caught now for aggressive traders. If we use the Fibonacci tool as the price is now above 50 EMA, something like this, we have a hit of 50% retracement right here for aggressive trader. This is itself an entry and take profit can be 180R or you can manage it till 1.618 retracement. Stop loss can be below this pattern. So this is for aggressive trader. You can manage it from the 180R till 1.618 retracement. As now I'm expecting a price to push higher, at least this high, then we can expect some pullback and continuation towards the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in a very short moment. So that is what you need to look for an aggressive entry. For less aggressive trader, we can get a possible pullback to 50 EMA, above 50 EMA, or one candle can close below 50 EMA and then the very next candle can close back up above 50 EMA, and that must be a bullish engulfing candle. If that happens, we have a less aggressive way to enter exactly something like this, a move like this. If we get again after the price has just made a new high, in that case we will have a pullback entry above 50 EMA and we are good to go long. Use 180R for the target. Nice one. So as you can see, as mentioned yesterday, clearly mentioned that if we get a signal something like this, a bullish engulfing candle, which we had right here, a clear bullish engulfing candle. If you are trading on capital.com, even if you're trading on NEMEX, we have a clear signal we had right here on capital.com. We had a new high, from this high pullback, and then we have a bullish engulfing pattern. So like I always say, if I get a condition on Oanda or capital.com, I still go for my entries, and we had a condition here on capital.com, which is also one of my tested data, and we also got a condition on NEMEX if you are trading on this platform, which I've just recently started, and we had a condition that pushed the price higher. So at this point, what to expect next? A very simple and very clear. Price just made a new high, exactly the same. We are pushing up in a trend. Price is making a new highs. Right here we have another high. Now all we are looking at a pullback of few red candles with a bullish engulfer, something exactly like this. Doesn't matter if you get a signal here capital.com or here on Oanda. We had a recent signal on Oanda that was a winning trade right here. Last week there was a take profit hit, and with that we had a head and shoulder pattern triggered right here. We have a first target hit, and then we had a break above, and now we had a second target hit as well, easily. So that is how we take our trades with conditions. Now we have a new high on all three platforms. So looking at that, all I want to see a pullback of few red candles must be above 50 EMA. We can get a deep pullback as well. That is why very important to enter with a condition and don't enter your trades with a FOMO, something like this, because most of the traders, they look at the price pushing higher, they start buying here, and then when they see a big pullback, they start cutting off their trades. That is what I don't want you guys to do. Look for the conditions. Now all I want to see, look for the condition, nice good pullback above 50 EMA. It doesn't matter if the price pulls back to 50 EMA with a deep pullback. I will not get alarmed. I'll be ready to take my next trade if we have a deep pullback above 50 EMA with bullish engulfing pattern. We can also get a pullback to trend line and then a candle closed back above 50 EMA. One candle can close below 50 EMA, which is allowed for me to take my entry. So keep looking for that on all three platforms, on Oanda, on capital.com. Wherever I get a signal, I will take my entries and still go long, and the next zone to take your sell trade is right above. I've already mentioned that in my yesterday's video. Please feel free to check that out. My yesterday's video where I've already mentioned the zone above on all three platforms, on NEMEX as well, all the zone above and the zone below as well in my yesterday's videos. So keep an eye here, keep looking for the condition. If you entered with an aggressive entry right here, as mentioned yesterday, that aggressive entry signal has already been triggered right here, and if you're managing your trade, I would manage it till the resistance right here, and I'll keep my stop loss below this pattern, somewhere below the trend line. So if you're still in the trade, that's totally up to you. And if you have already taken the two targets I've sent in a trade alert yesterday, that is also fine. So totally up to you. If you are managing it, I would manage it till this resistance level, which I've mentioned right here in case you missed it. Feel free to check my yesterday's video like I said, but just to show you the resistance level here is 2.770. That goes up to 2.870, where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade. Here on Nirvana and the other platform I've already mentioned yesterday. Right here on gold, what do we have? Price is now pushing lower, broke below the neckline as mentioned yesterday. We have a push up and we have a bearish engulfing pattern. We did not get a full hit of the zone, but we had a bearish engulfer somewhere at the resistance level right here, and with that the price is now pushing low. All I'm expecting now, only looking for sell trades. I'm not looking for any buy trades at the moment. All I'm looking at a nice pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfer, and only going to look for pullback entries till the price gets to the next level of support, which I've recently marked. And new zone here for gold, it is 1972, that goes up to 1993. This is the zone from where now I'll be looking to enter my buy trades if I get a push down with a bullish engulfer. If we have that, we are good to go long, or a double bottom entry condition. If we have that, we are good to go long. For now, only looking for pullback entry bearish on 4-hour time frame with a pullback followed by bearish engulfing pattern. We can get a possible retest and a push lower as well from this neckline. Here on silver, price now pushing lower. Like I mentioned yesterday, if we break below this consolidation and break below this low, I'll start to look for my sell trade. Clearly mentioned yesterday, but now all I'm looking at a pullback of few green candles and only gonna look for sell trades till the price gets to my level below in green, which is 22.25, that goes to 22.65, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. Last one we have crude oil is now in a process of a deep pullback. As you can see, we have a new low and the price pushes up with a pullback. At this point, if we have a little green candle followed by bearish engulfing candle, if we have that, we are good to go short. So only looking for sell trades. Now we have a pullback of few candles. All I'm looking at small green, a bigger red candle. That will be a bearish signal. Once we have that, we are good to go short. So keep looking for that. On the only zone to take my buy trades is zone below I've already mentioned, which is 66.00 goes to 67.85, from where we can enter our buy trades with bullish engulfers, double bottoms, hammer candles, or 382 candle bullish. So buy from here or buy if we have a dramatic push up and break above 50 EMA. In that case, I'll start to look for my bullish trades. So for only looking for sell trades for crude oil. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@moneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.